This old guy DIY video has to do with grading and gravel driveway. So a friend recently had about 30 tons of gravel put on her driveway. She asked me to try to smooth the stuff out. I don't have a box blade, so I was screwing around for about an hour trying to get this thing smooth without a lot of success. I thought, boy, last year I made something that seemed to do a pretty good job and I had forgotten what it is. So I googled old guy DIY drag, and I found this drag that I had made for the driveway last year. I watched my own video, went down behind her barn, dug this thing out of the woods, and now I have it hooked to the back of the tractor, and it's doing a nice job smoothing this driveway off. So I guess this video has to do with loss of cognitive ability. They say your memory is the second thing to go, and this thing, it's made out of 2x4s and a couple of T-posts, really does a nice job for smoothing out a driveway that previously had enough moguls in it that kids could have run their BMX bikes and been happy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.